Hello, I'm Linda and I'm a property investor. I'm here with Louise of Property Venture to better understand how her company can help me invest in a city and why she particularly advocates city investment.
Well, I think that what I would say to that, Linda, is that I see city investments as good for investors looking to build up a portfolio or wanting to buy a buy-to-let. In a way, they're a bit like an island in that there's limited resource, there's limited space, and so that then limits supply, and if the demand's there, then that maintains a stable pricing and rental demand. Obviously with a city, unlike an island, it can spread further out, so you get suburban sprawl in a number of cities, but the dynamics tend to be slightly different. So in the centre of a city, you may well be protected against voids because there will always be demand in a decent city for accommodation and rentals in the city centre. So voids might be less, but because the price might be slightly higher, the yield might be slightly lower because the rent over the price of a property might have a different dynamic. And out in the suburbs, you may well get something for less money, so the price that you pay, but still get a decent rental amount, so that means that the yield may well be slightly better. And in cities like Krakow in Poland, where there are special economic zones further out of the city, then you tend to get workers there working for blue chip companies that also need somewhere to rent and stay when they're on contract or working for those companies.
Okay. You mentioned Krakow. Are there any other cities you particularly recommend?
Yeah, obviously there's Warsaw as well, which is one of the key cities in Poland, and Istanbul is a real city of the future, and there you can get pretty decent yields, from 5% going up to 10%, and also really decent capital growth. A recent report has shown that Turkey property prices have risen by going on for nearly 20% in some places, and Istanbul is a key driver of that. So Istanbul property prices have been going up 10% if you net out the effect of inflation, so between 10 and 20%. So investors there have done very well, so that's been a good place as well to invest.
Excellent. So what's the first step in investing in a city property? What would I do? How would I go about it?
Well, obviously you or anyone else can get in contact, but if someone wants to just get to know us a little bit better, below this video there's a link where people can download a free city guide, so it gives a bit more flesh on the bones to what I've been talking about in this video, and gives a bit more about the profile of each of the cities that I've talked about as well. Okay. So downloading the city guide from the link below this video would be a good first point of call, and then obviously you can call us on +44 1932 849 536 or email us at info@property-venture.com, so any of those would be good.
That sounds great. Thank you.